And as far as dementia, several large observational studies found that HRT was associated with a reduced rate of Alzheimer's disease and other dementia. But the WHI study was added to address, it was called WHIMS memory study, during the main trial, with the critical caveat that only women aged 65 and older were enrolled. The rationale was that dementia incidence is higher in those, that's why we're going to study it, otherwise it would be so low that I wouldn't be able to study. And the WHIMS found an increased rate of cognitive, so it was bad for dementia. In the 18-year follow-up on WHI, considering the entire cohort with an average of 63 years at baseline, the use of CE with and without MPA was associated with significant reduction in mortality attributing to dementia. So you could see that in the long term, and when you take all patients that are younger, basically as an average, not only the old patients, they were better off taking HRT as far as dementia is concerned. There's other studies like the West study as well about this. As far as administration, how to administer these hormones, as we had said, we have talked about oral estrogen, transdermal estrogen, progesterone administration also being in different ways, and of course oral and transdermal as well, creams, etc. And we'll talk about that. Specialty pharmacies also do make compounded products. And I saw this picture on the internet, don't know who did it, but something about and I was interested, I want something funny in this presentation. I couldn't find except that fan. That was the treatment for menopause in the 60s. And, with time, things changed between the pills and then more transdermal recently.